Good morning, everybody. I have another video on what we have for current food prices. I'm doing a comparison of current week, next week, and looking for some trends. I just happened to see right here the sea scallop, which are beautiful, 10 to 30 count, which are similar to shrimp. You know, they're sold by the size is number of pieces per pound. So you can see up here is 41.50 for medium shell on raw shrimp, or 10 to 30 count sea scallop. And again, look at the savings; it's almost half. Which again, sea scallops, wild caught, fresh, are in fact $20 a pound. So that's a great price. If you can ask the man to give you the larger, and they make great dishes. You know, scallops wrapped in bacon, and a seared scallop, all sorts of stuff. So that's more of the highlight, and that's from the Hannafords, okay, and that's the current date, starting tomorrow for the week. Here is the previous week. Again, looking for deals. Okay, it appears that Hannaford has these. I always look for the near the half price area. So we have save $4 on, and also with marketing they jack the price up to lower it. So you have to remember that you have to know your base prices for your different items. So we have Atlantic salmon $7.99 a pound, usually in the $10 range, $9 range. That's decent. Again, most important to understand your unit price for particular products. So you have center cut pork chop, right? And then they're saying that you're going to save $1, which is true. This is about a $2.50, $3 piece of meat. Okay. So in regards of Hannaford's, being pretty transparent with both savings and unit price. Okay, and then you have this current week. You have pork butt, 99 cents. That's a bone-in pork butt that's coming up starting tomorrow. Beautiful. You can order a case of this if you'd like, from the meat manager. And you can freeze it. This is beautiful stuff. 99 cents is a great, and look, you're saving $2 a pound. $2.99 is a little high for a bone-in pork butt. $2. I'm getting it on a wholesale, but great price. Okay, so this is Hannaford's pricing coming up. You have both the sea scallop and you have the pork butt. I believe out of all these, I'm looking at Shaw's here. Save $1.72, $2.77 for ground beef, 80% lean, which is a great mix. The more fat, the better tasting. 73% lean is 27% fat. Remember, fat has flavor. You can actually take lean burger. You can take lean turkey. 93% lean, and you can add butter to this, folks. You can add some grass-fed butter to your turkey to make it juicy. You can add your salt and pepper and all that. But in regards of pricing here, you got some haddock. Again, you have a frozen haddock, and the thing is with frozen fish, once it thaws, it loses moisture. So you have to make sure to protect your moisture. But this is a Shaw's current week coming up, and previous week. So we're coming to the end of the current week, which is this page here. So you can see some meats. The prices are holding pretty good, folks. If you think about it, inflation is not going up as it had been. So we're doing pretty good on pricing lately. I don't see any movement to the upside. But again, they draw you in through front page. So you have a burger special. Again, Hannaford's. We went over this really has these two are the best. You know, we get the pork butt. Okay, look, half price. So that's what you're looking for. You're looking for sales. You're looking to put things into the freezer, and a penny saved is a penny earned, guys. Here's some market basket sales here. Wings. Wings are more money than breast. You know, I pay $1.99 for chicken breast. Chicken wings are $2.99. Why? I don't know. Party wings? I don't know. St. Louis ribs, good price. Okay, save $1, $3.99, typical on a retail basis. I'm paying on a wholesale basis about $2.70. Again, with this turkey breast, again, there's a sodium content. Look out for the sodium. Land O'Lakes is a premium cheese. You save a little bit of money here. I've seen it for $3.99. Again, premium products, you pay good money. You have to wait for those. You have to wait for those specials. You can get some cold cut, $3.99. That's decent price. Old Neighborhood, again, is sodium content. Again, you have 2.5 pounds for $9.99. You divide the 10 by the 2.5 and get your unit price. Everything I do when I purchase, I buy by unit price. $4.49 is unit price per pound. Okay. Current week, get some haddock, and next week. Chicken thighs are a little expensive here. Again, fresh chicken thighs. I don't see any organic. Hopefully everything's antibiotic free, but the price for thighs is about half that. They say save $1. So if you know unit price, again, this is some brand I'm not familiar with, but I know the price for chicken thighs. This is high, $4 a pound. You're better off buying beef for $4 a pound. This is going rate for chops. Cod fillet is a little higher. Again, market basket. You know, the prices seem a little higher than the other competitors. Then again, they do have some sales. It's $1 off, so you're not really seeing. You say save $1.50. Peaches, you're getting half price, I guess. Here, right? Little red potatoes. I love making potato salad out of them. So that's a 3-pound package for $4.49. That's over $1 a pound. You know, again, not a great savings. Salad, again, look for the size. So that's a pound, $3.99, right? That's okay for the spring mixes and stuff, organic. That's the going rate. All right, guys. So out of all this stuff, the comparisons and did I see any real trends going on? Not really. But overall, the prices are steady. The prices are good. So we have Shaw's with the $2.77. You know, I wish these guys would all match other people's prices, but again, this is up in New England. I don't know how it is in your neighborhood, but we have the scallops is a great deal. Okay, we have the bone-in pork butt, great deal. Remember, you can buy bulk from these folks. You can order it, and it comes in a few days. Typically, you ask your meat manager, and that's it. So we're going to end with the scallops. Hey guys, have a great day out there. Thumbs up. Thank you.